Hello friends, welcome back to your exam Sati. So today is World Environment Day and I hope you will at least plant a tree today. So in this video, we will give you a brief description about its history, World Environment Day theme 2021 and its significance. So let's get started. So World Environment Day 2021. First, we should know about its history, how it started. So let's read the paragraph. World Environment Day is one of the biggest annual events organized by the United Nations to generate awareness about the significance of nature. World Environment Day was launched by United Nations General Assembly UNGA in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. However, it was observed in the United States in 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. So, this was a brief history about the World Environment Day. Now, let's move on to its theme. So, World Environment Day 2021 theme is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. The theme is based on the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, which will be launched by the United Nations this year. It is a 10-year plan to work on stopping environmental degradation. Its significance, the concept behind observing World Environment Day is to focus on the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. This day is observing across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind and to take the pledge that to protect it. So, this was a brief overview. You should know these things about the World Environment Day 2021. And before ending this video, let's listen to the speech of UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres.
We are rapidly reaching the point of no return for the planet. We face a triple environmental emergency: biodiversity loss, climate disruption, and escalating pollution. For too long, humanity has cut down the Earth's forests, polluted its rivers and oceans, and ploughed its grasslands into oblivion. We are ravaging the very ecosystems that underpin our societies, and in doing so, we risk depriving ourselves of the food, water, and resources we need to survive. The degradation of the natural world is already undermining the well-being of 3.2 billion people, or 40% of humanity. Luckily, the Earth is resilient, but she needs our help. We still have time to reverse the damage we have done. That is why, on this World Environment Day, we are launching the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. This global movement will bring together governments, businesses, and civil society and private citizens in an unprecedented effort to heal the Earth. By restoring ecosystems, we can drive a transformation that will contribute to the achievement of all the Sustainable Development Goals. The task is monumental. We need to replant and protect our forests. We need to clean up our rivers and seas. And we need to green our cities. Accomplishing these things will not only safeguard the planet's resources, it will create millions of new jobs by 2030, generate returns of over $7 trillion every year, and help eliminate poverty and hunger. The United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration is a global call to action. It will draw together political support, scientific research, and financial muscle to massively scale up restoration. And everyone can contribute. Science tells us these next 10 years are our final chance to avert a climate catastrophe, turn back the deadly tide of pollution, and end species loss. Today, let's start a new decade, one in which we finally make peace with nature and secure a better future for all.
This was all about World Environment Day 2021. So you can ask your queries at yourexamsarthi@gmail.com. You can join our Facebook page and Telegram channel where we provide all the materials and information regarding your examination. So thank you for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for informative videos. Thank you so much.